For questions 1 and 2, you're going to have to plot, label, and identify ordered pairs on the coordinate plane. The best way to do this is just to do it systematically. We have A through E, so we always want to start at 0, 0, or the origin, right? And remember, it's X is side to side, and Y is up and down. Looking at my coordinate plane here, I've already gone ahead and I have scaled it for you. Note the signs in each quadrant. So in Q1, the signs are positive and positive. In quadrant 2, the signs side to side, negative and up, positive. Negative and positive. In quadrant 3 right here, right? Because we're going around counterclockwise. So quadrant 3, our X is negative and our Y is negative. So quadrant 3, and we're using the Roman numerals, your X is negative and your Y is negative, okay? And then we have quadrant 4, okay? Quadrant 4, X, we always start with X, side to side, X is before Y, and that's how I remember, X, Y, Z, right? And your Y is negative. And so now that you've kind of set yourself up for success here, you can go ahead and start identifying the points. So looking at A, I'm just going to do it systematically. I'm going to go to quadrant 1 first. Ooh, I forgot to note that this was quadrant 4, and that's IV. Okay. All right. So I'm going to look. I'm going to start here at the origin. I'm going to go towards the positive where my A is. And looking, the X is a 6. So I'm going to go down here, I'm going to put my parenthesis because that is part of the notation, and I'm going to put a 6. I'm going to go ahead and put my close parenthesis now, and let me go look for the Y. So if my X is 6, I'm going to go up, and I can see right over here, my Y is 3. Okay, so you're going to do that for the rest of the points on this page, and go ahead and identify them. I'm looking for the correct ordered pairs, the right X and Y, and I'm looking for the correct notation. Okay. Another thing you're going to have to do is plot the points. So here we have points that need to be plotted. K. So here is K. K needs to be plotted. And again, I'm just going to very quickly orient myself. I did this all the time when I was learning how to graph. And I'm going to positive, negative, positive, negative, negative, and positive, negative. Okay, so that sets me up for success. I also see the Y's not here, so I'll put a Y there. Okay, so my K is positive 3, positive 7. I look up here, positive, positive. It's going to be somewhere in quadrant 1. Okay, I'm going to go over. I'm going to start at the origin. I'm going to go over to 3. I don't mark anything here. And I go up to 7. And this is where I plot my point at the intersection of 3 and 7. And that's really where it needs to be, right here at the intersection. A nice little circle. And then I'm just going to put the K right next to it. That's all you have to do, plot and label. When you're given letters, you don't need to put the ordered pair there. So go ahead and plot the rest of these, and then you're going to be asked to find the reflection of K across the x-axis, or to identify, okay? So remember, if it's across the x-axis, the reflection of K is going to be somewhere, here's the x-axis, it's going to be somewhere over here, okay? It's going to be, the x is the same and the y is an opposite. So go ahead and you'll write down what letter is the reflection after you plot those points. Once you feel good about this, the next screen is going to go on to question 3, and then each question will be reviewed on the test, and then the milestone will be screen by screen. If you have not taken the test, if this is your first time looking at this is a review, then do every question when the milestone comes up. If you've taken the milestone, you must do every question that you did not get a perfect score on, and a perfect score of 4. Okay, so that's the way you will be eligible for your points. Every question that you got less than a 4, you will redo, in addition to the review. Good luck.